Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today, Captain Microwave is going to be microwaving some Crayola crayons. All 8 of them in the small 8-pack. Hopefully they're just going to make a nice pretty rainbow inside my microwave. Just lay them like that. And get that water out. There. Last thing I need. Might cook it for how long? 2 minutes. Well, that sucked. And it looks like, not only could you not see anything, but crayons, they did nothing. It looks like well, they did melt a little. So this is a pretty boring episode. I promise I'll make it up to you for the next one. The season finale you've all been waiting for. So I'm going to follow this under stupid idea.